Here are the 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 3 and lesson number 3. This is probably one of the hardest lessons that I learned. And I think as humans, this is a tough lesson in general for everyone. But I'm thankful this year for all the people that I lost, all the people that I have had to let go, or those that just drifted away from me. And I know if you're watching this video, you can relate to just how challenging and how difficult this can be. As humans, we're wired for connection. And if we have shared a special connection with someone, it can be particularly difficult to allow ourselves to surrender and be okay with that process of detaching or breaking up. So if this was a big theme of your life in 2023, I get you. I understand you. I know how it feels. This was my central and major theme back in 2022. I had to learn how to detach, surrender, and trust. So if you went through this in 2023, I'm here to tell you that you're going to be okay. I know it hurts right now, but you will look back at this point in time and you will meet other wonderful people and everything will make sense. All the pain, all the hurt, the heartache, the anger, the confusion, everything will make sense. And it's okay that it doesn't right now. It's okay that you're hurting right now. It's okay that you're angry. It's okay that you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's next. It's okay. All you need to do is trust that you will be okay someday. Maybe it's not right now, it's not today, it's not tomorrow, but it will be someday. And that someday might be sooner than you think. So let me know in the comments, who have you had to let go this year and why that lesson was important for you. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more. I'll see you for lesson number 4. Yeah, lesson number 4 and day 4 tomorrow. Bye.